चैप्टर 24 स्पेलिंग्स, इंग्लिश ग्रामर का यह चैप्टर है। स्पेलिंग रूल्स। ओके, हम स्पेलिंग रूल्स फॉलो करते हैं, देखते हैं यहाँ पे किस तरीके से। स्पेलिंग इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट ऑफ एनी लैंग्वेज। कोई भी लैंग्वेज होगी उसके लिए स्पेलिंग बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। सिंस रॉन्ग स्पेलिंग्स मे कन्वे ऑफ रॉन्ग मीनिंग असलन अ फ्यू रूल्स फॉर अ स्पेलिंग वर्ड्स करेक्टली। एडिंग प्रीफिक्स, when we added a prefix such as un, dis, miss, we do not drop or add any letters. एग्जाम्पल प्रीफिक्स प्लस वर्ड। तो किस तरीके से है देखना आप। अन प्लस फिट तो इज इक्वल अनफिट। डिसअबेल डिसेबल। मिस जज इलीगल इलीगल। ओके, सो बी है एडिंग सफिक्स और डबल कॉन्स्टिट्यूशंस इन वन सिंबल वर्ड एडिंग इन अ सिंगल वोवल्स एंड सिंगल कॉन्सोनेंट्स। एग्जाम्पल सैड बिग एंड विन। We double the consonants before a suffix which begins with a vowel is added. Okay, how? Example big east. ओके, वोवल्स यूज किए हैं एंड कॉन्सोनेंट भी यूज किए हैं। ठीक है, तो क्या आएगा बिगेस्ट। सैड प्लस ईस्ट, सैडिस्ट विन ई आर विनर। स्किन ing skinning. Okay, so look at this. When the suffix begins with a consonant and do not double the consonant. Example ly, we write shadly, gladly, तो gladly we do not double to the consonant d. Okay, in case of words of 2 or 3 syllables adding in a single vowels and a single consonant, double the final consonant if the last syllable is a stated. Example begin, straight falls on the last syllables begin. There, submit, straight fall on the last syllables meet. Control, straight fall on the last syllables troll. Okay, ये जो है that. After adding a suffix they become a begin plus ing beginning, submit plus ing submitting, control plus ing controlling. Okay, आगे है when the last symbol is not straight such as open after benefit, we do not double the final consonant. Example open plus ing opening, after plus ing aftering. Expressions, however there are expressions such as worship, kidnap and handicap. The last symbols of these words is not straight but still we double the final consonants. Example worship plus ed worshipped, handicap plus ed handicapped, kidnappers. When words have more than one syllable and in British language English double I even if the symbol is understated. Example quarrel ed quarreled, travel ed traveled. Expectations paralleled and plus ed paralleled. However, in American English, the I is not doubled when the symbol is unstated. Example quarrel plus ed quarreled, travel plus ed traveled. Dropping consonant and vowels dropping. When we add feel to a word ending in the second I of the word as well full is dropped. Skillful, will plus full, willful. Dropping e when words end in silent e, we drop the e before a suffix that begins with a vowel. Living, enaging, lose and plus ing losing. Expectations, we don't drop the e before the suffix beginning with a bell or a house when the main word ends with ce or ge. Example notice plus abel noticeable, change plus abel changeable. We let the e remain when the suffix begin with a consonant. Example: hopeless, hopeless, engage plus mint, engagement. नेक्स्ट है एक्सपेक्टेशन. सो एंगेज, अरेंजमेंट प्लस अरेंजमेंट. वूल, लई, वुलई. ट्रूली, ट्रूली. ड्यू प्लस ly, ड्यूली. अवेकफुली, अवेकफुली. नाइन्थ. Fourth, word ending in e do not drop in an e before suffix. Example: see plus ing, seeing. Flee plus ing, fleeing. Transpositions of y into t. When a word and with y and has a consonant before it, the y change to I before the suffix. Example: happily, happily. Marriedly, married. Beautifully, beautifully. Expectations: y remain with when the suffix ing. Example: marry, ing, marrying. Carry, carrying. When a word and with y and has a vowel before it, y does not change. Pray and ing, praying. Play plus ed, played. Expectation: example: pray and ed, paid. Day and ly, daily. Say and ed plus ed, said. Lay plus ed, laid. Transformations of ie into y. When words and in I, there's letter are changed into y before adding ing. Example: die plus in ing, dying. Lie plus ing, lying. Positions of I and e. We use I before e when the combination of I and e sound like e, as in beep, but we write when it has to be added after c in word throat, it sound like yes and deep. Example: believe, thief, deceives, receives, selling. In these words ei comes after c. Expectations: example: she is very neither potent.